Namaste. Hi, welcome everyone. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kristen Rose, and if you've been following along, you might know that you are joining me here live over the last couple of months from beautiful Costa Rica. In this video, I'm here to invite you to our online Moon to Moon Restorative Yoga teacher training. Restorative yoga truly is the art of relaxation. And in a world that's so conducive to going and to working those long hours, those longer days, those busy work weeks, juggling it all, now is the time for deep rest. And so if you've been following my channel for some time, you might have already enjoyed some of the restorative yoga practices I've offered. But if restorative yoga is new to you and you're feeling naturally drawn to this idea of slowing down, turning inward, recharging your internal battery, self-inquiry, deep rest, then these practices are for you. This online training also weaves in the essence and the wisdom of the lunar cycles. So this online go at your own pace offering takes us through 4 lunation cycles together. And it's designed for you to enjoy from the comfort of your own home, your own personal sanctuary, and to honor this time of slowness and weaving this essence and this wisdom into your life. We have an online Facebook group where you can connect with the mentors and the teachers within the training, within the Sangha, the community, as well as where you can connect with your peers and other students. And this has really grown into a global community. So there's beautiful and like-minded beings coming together from all around the world. And it's something really beautiful to witness this community grow and thrive, and the medicine of deep rest really rippling out and into the world. As well, we have bi-weekly calls on Zoom where we can connect live and in person, as well as you are always welcome to connect with us outside of the live calls if you have any pressing questions or you just want to connect and dive in a little bit deeper. And so I invite you to join me as one of the mentors and the teachers within this beautiful training, alongside the co-directors Ali Boothroyd and Tina Kivinen, who are also beautiful teachers and practitioners and space holders of yoga, yoga nidra, meditation. And so if you are interested, I will leave their links in the description below, as well as the link to this Moon to Moon online restorative teacher training. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I would love to connect with you. And enrollment is open now. So if you're interested, click on the link. You can download the information package. You can book an application call. You can also fill out an online application as well. The world is in dire need of deep rest. Over thousands of years, our ancestors connected with the natural cycles. And so in this way, you might think of this training, this experience, like a homecoming. Working with the rhythm of the natural cycles helps to instill a sense of balance, a sense of wholeness, a sense of groundedness and compassionate awareness, not only to your personal practice on your yoga mat, but out into your waking life, into your daily life, into your relationship with yourself, as well as your relationship with others. And so whether you are looking to pursue this training for your own personal yoga practice, or if you're feeling that gravitational pull, that natural draw to hold space to teach restorative yoga classes for your community or for your beloveds, then this training is for you. You will be provided all of the skills necessary to hold sacred space for these beautiful practices, as well as re-enchant yourself with the wisdom, the ancient wisdom of Grandmother Moon La Luna. I'd love so much to connect with you if you have any other questions. And thank you so much for being here, for being curious, for taking time to show up for yourself first. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a beautiful day.